Hello everyone! Welcome back. Welcome back to our channel. Wait lang. Okay, sorry.
Today's video, ibang weekend na naman po ang ganap natin today.
Saturday ngayon, weekend na naman. Pupunta lang kami ng Ikea and then pupunta kami ng drag show.
Oo, guys, samahan nyo kami kasi kung hindi nyo alam, may mga pride shows dito, may mga festivals. And isa sa pupuntahan namin is isang event na celebration of pride. Naririnig ba ako?
Oo.
Yeah, so isang event ng celebration of pride dito sa
New West.
BC. So hindi dito sa Vancouver yung event, doon sa New West. So isasama namin kayo para makita nyo rin yung ganap.
Yeah, but before that, we are first going to Ikea kasi may bibilan daw si Kat. So, we're leaving now. Ang init. I don't know, for some reason, it's so hot, but it's only 22 degrees sa labas. It's so hot though. And it's so traffic. I'll show you the traffic in a little bit. It's so traffic. Oh my god. Anyways, ang schedule ngayon, 4 o'clock yung drag show. Well, the doors open at 4, but the show starts at 5.
Init!
Init nga. Grabe, I don't understand. Okay, magdadrive muna ako.
Hi, grabe ang init! So, papunta na kami ng IKEA, guys. Alam nyo, sabi ko kanina kay Kim, umiiyak yung kilikili ko.
That's what Bea would say.
Sabi ni Bea, oo, yung friend namin si Bea, sa kanya namin nakuha yung kilikili ko umiiyak. Pero ang init talaga, sobrang init. Oo, 22 degrees lang ngayon, pero mainit sobra. Buti
Walang
naman,
hangin, you know?
Oo, buti naman hindi na masyadong traffic. Doon lang banda sa may Boundary Road. Boundary Road pa rin naman tayo, pero doon papuntang hindi masyado.
Hello! We have made it to Ikea.
Nasa IKEA, kukit lang pala tayo, guys.
Yeah. We are here kasi
Mas malapit sa New West.
that is correct. That's correct. Anyways, ang init talaga. I don't know why. But we're gonna buy ice cream na lang sa Ikea.
IKEA!
Ikea! Alright, baba na muna kami.
Cookie soda face. Tapos na tayo dito sa IKEA.
Pupunta tayo sa Intoxicated. Drive na ulit kami. Ay, kain muna kami tapos drive. So, ang gagawin pala namin is uuwi kami dun sa Joyce. Tapos, ipapark namin yung car dun, tapos magte-train na lang kami. Kasi super traffic ng New West ngayon dahil nga may parade and everything sila. For Pride. Kaya, baka ma-traffic pa kami. So might as well just, diba? 2 minutes lang away from the station yung venue. So, it's okay. It's not too bad. And nandito na kami sa Joyce Collingwood. Dito kami magpa-park tapos mag-walk kami papunta ng train station. Magte-train kami papunta ng New Westminster sa Anvil Center ang
Dalawa na lang pala to.
Oh, nice. Sa Anvil Center kami pupunta. Okay, so it's done. The event is done. So we're going back to the car. Yeah, wala akong marinig right now on this ear kasi nasa pinakaharap kami where the speakers are. And it was so loud, but it was fun. So we're gonna go to the car now. And then hello. So we are back in the car now. It is 8:52 p.m. We still have to eat some dinner. So we're gonna look for a place to eat dinner right now. So napilian namin na kainan is Kokoro in Metrotown. So yeah, we're so tired, no?
Yeah, kasi 4 hours na nakatayo.
At saka, ang lakas, nagre-ring yung ko, yung tenga ko. Parang,
dahil sa lakas ng music.
Okay. Kain muna kami para may energy.
Nag-order kami ng shashubo and
Kokoro ramen.
gutom na kami.
Kain muna kami. Hey guys, so this is the next day na. It's Sunday. Well, we were so tired last night that when we got home, we just went, like, we showered and then we went to sleep. And then now, masakit pa rin yung ear ko. And then, I think, I don't know, we feel so tired. We're so tired. So, yeah. Anyways, yun lang for this this vlog. Overall, that was a fun day, but I'm so tired.
So yung party na or yung event na inatinan pala namin, clean fun lang talaga yun. Walang anything, kaya tawag niya intoxicated.
Yeah, kasi ano siya, no liquor, no any substance, which is nice, really nice. Kasi everybody there was, you know, there for the reason to have fun and be in the moment. Hindi yung parang you need to drink something or smoke or
take something.
Yeah, to have fun. And it was a nice crowd, and also very genuine yung mga partnerships and sponsors ng events. And yeah, it was like non-profit organizations, which is very nice and what we like. And it's all about recovery and rehab and sobriety. So yeah, that's nice. Anyways, I didn't go to work today because I don't feel the best. Yeah, I don't know, we're so tired, no? Kanina umaga na gising kami, parang ang sakit lahat ng body namin. And then our ears were still ringing. And I don't know.
Siguro hindi na talaga kami pang party.
Yeah, I think kasi naman guys, mga 2 years, 3 years without
anything.
doing anything, without being in a large crowd and with loud music, parang. And then usually kami lang naman dalawa or with like a couple of friends. So hindi ganun ka loud. And so I think our body were just overwhelmed. But yeah, I hope that you guys liked it and experienced a little bit of what Pride Parade, not parade, Pride
Festival.
Pride festivals in Canada. That one was in New Westminster, so not in Vancouver. But
they usually, diba? They usually have their events in Vancouver, pero
yeah, we missed it kasi nasa Calgary tayo nun.
Yeah, and then nasa Calgary tayo.
Yeah, and then Calgary's Pride is I think next week. So yeah,
we won't be able to witness it, but basically may kayo, parang idea kayo on how they celebrate.
Yeah, and Pride is a celebration of not specifically for gay people, you know.
It's for everything.
It's for everyone. It's all like being inclusive of everyone, regardless of what their race, gender, or age. And it's just a party of like you. Yeah. So yeah, to those people who like, you know, hate and don't like it, you do you, but it's not like we're not, you know, celebrating to hate on other people. We're celebrating everyone
because love is love.
Anyways, this is getting a really long vlog, so we'll cut it here.
Yep. Thank you so much, guys, for watching.
Yes.
Please don't forget to subscribe.
Yes.
Bye.